This is a manual page, man page, from Unix Linux. It's the help file for a command. On Windows, you can open it with a text editor to read the documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the manual. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful MAN troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. A MAN file serves a dual purpose. It represents both a Unix manual page and a manifest file. As a manual page, it provides documentation for commands, functions, and files within a Unix-like operating system. As a manifest, it can list the files and metadata associated with a software package or project, often used in software distribution and management. Unix manual pages are typically formatted using a markup language like troff or groff, allowing for structured text, formatting, and cross-referencing. Manifest files can follow various formats, such as plain text lists or structured data formats, like YAML or JSON, depending on the specific software or system using them. The primary software for MAN is recognized as GNU Project, developed by GNU Project. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows provides reliable text rendering within its default toolset. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the MAN file and choose Open With. Prioritize GNU Project if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. When your MAN file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, use terminal. If on a Linux Unix system, use the man command line utility to view the documentation, man file name.man. Next, use man viewer. If on Windows, use a dedicated man viewer utility. Finally, open as text. Open the man file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.